Alright, g'day. This is trade recap for Wednesday, July 15th. This was slightly different than my usual entry points. Still based on my strategy and what I look for to enter, which is draws on liquidity, sweeps of liquidity, and then I use confluences like inverse fair value gaps to enter. So today I didn't use an inverse fair value gap, although one did happen right there. So it did work out, which gave me confidence to hold my trade. But what I entered on was tapped into this 1 hour gap from over here that we were holding. So 1 hour gap that we had tapped into several times, tapped into it, and I wanted to see a reversal off that. So if we were going to bounce at any point today off the morning, it was just free fall down, and this was the point that I thought we might reverse. So again, I'm not looking to chase all the way up here. I had specific TPs that I thought would hit if we were going to actually reverse, and those were just these levels, these lower highs in the downtrend. So just staggering the profits to secure as we go up. And once again, same as Tuesday's trade, I entered almost a 1 to 2, 1.8, which I'm pretty happy with still, and entered as we tapped into this, and then came up and hit my first target, and then just kind of chopped around here. So I moved my stop to further up and closed my full position just around this area. So full TP, or first target was up here, and then my second exit was right around 625, so this area, and I think I exited around here. So the trade was started off clean, inverse this gap, came back down a little bit to my entry, and then continued up. But then we just chopped around this area for a while, so I just moved my stop up to secure those profits and be done with it for the day. Ideally would love to see it just rip up to all these levels. That's kind of asking a lot, so getting out around here was good. That's still 68 point trade, which is super solid. I'm happy with that, and yeah, a good win. I was happy with it. A little bit different. Usually if we were tapping into an hourly gap like this, I'd wait for the inverse to happen and then enter there. I think this was a better entry than that, so I was happy with it. And yeah, close that, done for the day. Nice and easy. Alrighty, take care.